Eto na nga, kagagaling ko lamang sa Gateway to Cubao, Quezon City for a business event about stem cells, about fresh, about pampabata. It's about science, it's about serious stuff. But God has other plans for me. Why? Alam nyo kasi, palabas ako doon sa coffee shop wherein may titingnan lang ako. And then I saw a wall of tall, gorgeous women na naano sa mga bandang door. Ngayon sabi ko, teka lang, yung utak ko, wait ma, teka lang, parang sila yung mga eto na nga. Sila yung binibining Pilipinas candidate for 2026. And sabi ko, bakit kaya sila nandun? So ginawa ko, umapit ako kay Ate Guard and tinanong ko as a Marites. Alam niyo na, sabi ko, Ate Guard, ano meron? Ay, may photoshoot po sila doon sa labas. So, syempre tayo po ay Marites. Lumabas po tayo and chinik natin sila doon. And then pagpan ko, sa may rooftop po kasi ito, 4th floor ng Gateway Mall, nandun nga sila nagpo-photoshoot. It's around mga 3:30 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So, mahangin, pero mainit, maalinsangan. So, nung nakita ko lamang na nandun sila, ang ginawa ko, okay, nandun pala sila. Balik na ako, papasok na ako. And then naisip ko, teka lang, chance ko na to as a pageant fan baka pwede magpa-picture. So, eto na nga ang nangyari. Nakapagpa-picture ako sa kanila and I'm so happy with it. And then pumasok na ako doon sa coffee shop. Pasok ko sa coffee shop, paglingon ko sa kanila, sabi ko, ang luwag naman dito. Wala rin naman tao. At the time, baka naiinitan sila doon, no? Whole sa mga makeup ng mga yan. And then, bigla na lang yung staff nila, nagbukas ng door, and then inask si Ate Guard na, pwede po bang pumasok? Of course, bida-bida po tayo. So ako, a feeling owner, sabi ko, go te, ilaban mo na yan, yung mga ganda ng mga ganyan, hindi pwedeng nahuhula sa mga makeup niyan. Kung papasukin mo na yan, mabait naman si Ate Girl. O si Ate Guard, sabi ko ganun. And then, eto na nga, pumasok na nga sila sa loob. At doon sila nag-stay muna panandalian. Kasi hindi naman magtatagal yung mga yan. I ended up taking photos with the rest of the girls kasi nagpapalitan lang sila. And again, they're competing for Miss International and the Miss Globe on July 18. There are 36 gorgeous women. Magaganda sila lahat. And ang maganda lang doon with my experiences, I got an opportunity to see them in person, up close. So talagang tuwan-tuwa ang aking puso. So watching them. But again, I'm not a judge and I have zero authority. But again, I'm a photographer. Remember, I also have an eyes to see. But there are 2 or 3 girls who looks and hits me differently. I don't want to mention their names, but alam mo yung feeling na hindi sila nabibigyan ng stisya sa harap ng camera. Pero in person, malakas. But again, honestly, what struck me most, it was the yes. I didn't hesitate to say yes to a random tao like me who just want to take a photo with them. Every single one of them smiled, posed, like I belong. And for me, that's a crown energy. That's what wins. To all the Binibining Pilipinas candidates for 2026, may your light absolutely blind the Colosseum on the coronation light. And good luck to all the girls. Para sa inyo, who do you think will win this year's Binibining Pilipinas? Comment down below.